Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Sorry about that wind. Today I'm going to be fishing this spot. I've fished probably once, bank fishing, but I've never actually like fished it to the right side. I've been here on my kayak, but that was a long time ago. And I brought my kayak, but all the ramps are closed. So this is plan B. So we're going to be trying that out. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. All right, everybody. So I made it to the first spot of the day. So I'm going to be fishing along this whole bank. This water has gone down a ton. It used to be like all the way back there, but the water clarity seems pretty good here, guys. Not bad. Time check is currently 6 o'clock. So I have about 2 hours to fish, 2.5 hours. It's pretty hot. It's like 108 or something like that. Super hot, guys. So hopefully I can catch a fish here and land one. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to fishing. I'm gonna try and make it happen, guys. I mean, I fished way on the end of this cove and I've caught a lot of fish on my kayak, so there might be some good fish here. I didn't really fish this side, so we'll see, but I'm seeing a lot of grass, so hopefully these bass are hanging around the grass. Like super hot though. Oh wow, I just spooked a bass right there, guys. He was up like, guys, that's not even a foot of water. All right, so apparently some bass are shallow, which is a good sign. This area's shallow. All right, everybody, so I got kicked out of that last spot twice. And the first time I went to the ramp and it was closed. That same exact game warden kicked me out the second spot. So I am at the pond. Time check is 6:51. I have about an hour and a half to fish and make it happen. So let's see if we can make it happen, guys. Let's get to fishing. All right, guys, so I've made it to the pond. Like I said, time check is already about to be 7 o'clock. I got kicked out of that spot twice. I had gone, well, not the same spot, but I had gone to, I actually have a fish on. There we go, guys. First cast. Oh my God, you guys. That was quick. Oh my gosh, you guys. First cast. I literally just like flipped in there. First cast in, not a giant, but holy crap, that felt good. I've been running around the lake, driving to my house to get stuff, leave stuff, but I got the first fish of the day, guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. First cast in, not a bad fish. You don't know how much this fish means to me, but all right, go ahead and let me go. There you go. All right, guys, let's see if we can catch one more. Wow, that was crazy, guys. First cast in, I cannot believe it. I don't even know what I was talking about. Something that I was like running around from place to place, and I just flipped in like that and just saw my line run that way. But wow, guys, not a bad first fish. I mean, it's a dink, and I don't care, guys. I have been running around trying to find a spot to fish. Hopefully we can land one more before it gets dark. Let's get to it. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to the black and blue Cinco, or maybe another bait. I'm not sure what I have in my bag, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch up to a darker color because this water is very murky. So see if I can land some fish on this bait. We'll have a fish, guys. Here we go, guys. Second fish. No! Oh my God. Ah, that's my fault for setting the hook with one hand. Ah, oh, there's that fish, guys. It wasn't big. I'm not too mad, but no!
It wasn't big. I'm not too mad, but
oh well. I didn't really hook them. That's my fault. All right, everybody. That is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. I'm out of breath. I need some water. It was an interesting day. I got kicked out of the lake technically twice. Came to the pond, first cast, caught a fish, lost another fish. It was an all right day, guys. Not a bad day. I'm not complaining. At least I caught a fish. With that said, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos coming to you. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.